So one of my favorite things to do in the summertime, like most men I would assume, is to barbecue and grill. I went with this one. It doesn't come with the stands. Like some of these Blackstones, they have the stand, so this is going to stand alone. It's a 17-inch griddle. The reason why I went with this one is for obvious reasons. I can take this thing camping, I can take it, put it on the back of the truck, tailgating, all types of different things for this. I'm going to get the legs at a later time, but right now we just have the 17-inch griddle and a 4.3 liter air fryer. So let's get this thing put together, season it, and cook some smash burgers on it. That'll be the first thing we cook. I got some corn also that we can cook, some Iowa fresh sweet corn, so we can peel that up and do some corn and burgers. Not gonna do hot dogs, maybe one, we'll see. We're just definitely gonna do a double smash cheeseburger. I'll show you guys how to make smash burgers. And yeah, so let's get into this thing. Oh man, so this is a hefty piece of directions here. I just don't have the patience. Griddle safety, just tell me how the thing goes together. Alright, you got some handles, the side burner, legs, knobs. There you guys. Alright. Get the legs installed. Handles. These are really nice handles on this thing. Like that a lot. Oh, if you're someone that does a lot of camping and stuff like that, and you're gonna be, you know, popping it in and out of your truck, these nice big handles like that are gonna really help out. And nice thick rubber on there, so it's not gonna burn you if it's hot too. Like if you gotta, you know, get out of there, and sometimes, you know, you're leaving a tailgate party or camping and you gotta leave, and the griddle's still hot, and you're putting it in a truck, which you probably shouldn't do, but you know, at least it's not gonna burn you. It's pretty easy to put this thing together. This thing is the grease catcher. That's going to go in the back. Alright guys, so we got one coat of the seasoning on there. And you don't want to use bacon fat for this. It's not recommended to do that because it can get dried out and mess your griddle up. So you want to use this stuff here. And you know, you're going to do this about 3 to 4 times. Get about a tablespoon. Put it in the center. Then just kind of buff it in there. This is the second time I'm doing this. You could do it like 3 or 4 times. I'll probably just do it one more time after this. And that will be good. Turn it up. It's going to smoke a lot. You want to get all the sides of it everywhere. You're just going to protect the griddle, and you'll see some discoloration. That's good. And you want to kind of get this on nice and even. I just noticed a guy over here. He has a Blackstone too. Right there, that's a Blackstone. I didn't even know that. Just noticed it right now. I'm like, is that the same one? You want to get it all in the corners and stuff too. All right. We're ready to go. That's about it. smash burgers. We have, you don't really want to do this with regular, ground beef patties. You want to get actually ground beef, and this is from Fairway, so this is really good stuff here. And smash burgers are basically, it's a butter burger, so you smash it into the butter, pretty much. I use grass-fed butter, so obviously wash your hands. And we got a nice big piece of ground beef. And you don't want it to be too thick, so these are supposed to be thin. A lot of people make these all different ways, but this is how I do it. So we're gonna make a double cheese smash burger. That's what we're doing. We got a lot left too. So you can eat burgers for all week. The Blackstone, they're just, I've been hearing a lot about them. Guys at work rave about it, so I just said, you know what, I'm gonna get one. So that's how I ended up with the Blackstone. And the Griddle, you could do more things with the Griddle, I think, and I can bring that thing tailgating, camping. It didn't come with the legs, which is, whatever, but I'll just have to get those at a later time. It is a little bit annoying right now having to cook on the ground, but I cook a lot of burgers, and when you do burgers in the house, you could do them on a frying pan, smash burgers, but then my house gets so smoked out, and I just like to be outside and cooking, and it's just what I like to do, so why not, right? So we should be just about ready to go. So you basically just put your butter down in there and then smash it. Oh man, the smell already. Smells so good. Corn on there. If I was doing this in the apartment, it'd be totally smoked out. I just think those little 1 pound propane tanks, they don't put out enough, it's not putting out enough gas. Maybe it is. I guess we'll see, huh? I guess we'll shake. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Those smash burgers. Smash it in that butter. Hey Storm, what you doing? Storm. Hot bubble. Griddle. Gets a lot of grease everywhere. It's another reason why I wanted to get a griddle to do this. Just for these, These are super unhealthy, but they are freaking good. And you gotta get, Storm, grass-fed butter. Can't just use any butter. I mean, I guess you could, but in my opinion, it tastes better with the grass-fed butter. Let that cheese melt. That's it. Maybe we should cook a hot dog. See how a hot dog goes. You can go for a hot dog. So that's my full butter smash burger. Perfectly cooked. Double cheese butter smash burger. I could cook these every day for the rest of my life and be just fine. Perfect. No red inside. If you like it red, that's fine, but I like it just like that. My burgers. Steak a little different. Burgers I like that. Because I don't like my bun turning red. I like this grill. Oh my God. So good. Let's see how a hot dog does. Alright, I gotta be honest with you guys. That was one of the best burgers I've ever had in my life and ever made. It was absolutely perfect. No reason for me to believe that this hot dog is going to be just as good. And the corn. Man, I'm definitely going to eat a lot of burgers now. Holy crap, that thing was good. On it, just a plain hot dog. I think part of the cheeseburger was the meat. These are just regular hot dogs, so, but not bad. It's cooked good. Not a big hot dog guy. They're easy to make, and they're, you know, filling. Good. All right, how goes the corn? You don't even have to go far. Iowa sweet corn. It's everywhere out here, and it is good. Oh my God. You can just taste the sweetness off that first grill, man. This thing is good. It's way worth the money. And that setup right there is $147, so not bad. Not bad at all. And it comes with the fryer, so if you want to deep fry, you know, you'll never cook anything else until you get a deep fryer. So we'll try some different things on that in another video, like donuts and things you deep fry. All right, so fries and all that kind of stuff, and we'll see how that works, but we're not going to do that tonight. But I am going to clean this thing up and then let it cool off and put it in the house. I don't want no one to steal it, obviously. So, man, what an awesome grill. I'm gonna keep it in the garage, so I love it. Awesome. All right, so let's check out the cleaning process with this thing. I got it off. It's been out for about a half hour now, so still a little bit hot. You can't put your hand on it. And I have the 3-piece grilling cleaning kit. Now, this is from Blackstone. This thing here, you're not really going to use this unless it's really jacked up with rust. So hopefully you season it properly in oil, your griddle top properly, where you don't really have to use this. So, but you know, if you do need it, it's there. So, and then you got your scraper, and then this guy here, which is going to definitely come in handy. So you just got a little bit of water, put it on there. Nothing too crazy. You don't want to take that seasoning off. Water. Then I just get this, just a dry cloth. Wipe it off. You'll see some of these videos online about when they season their griddle tops, and it's got to be like this perfect uniform thing. I think, you know, this is pretty good. Every griddle top is different. Most likely you're not going to get it like they have it in their videos, Blackstone, you know, where it's like a perfectly black, even coat, you know. But this is a pretty solid. It looks pretty good there, so I'm happy with it. And all griddle tops are different. Everybody's top's going to be a little bit different. So, you know, just keep that in mind when you're seasoning it. And, you know, you never know how many times they used it before they, you know, actually did it, and how many times they oiled it to make it have that uniform. I've never seen one come out that perfect, but this one looks pretty good. Man, it doesn't really cook a good burger. I mean, that meal is nice. That's a perfect summer meal. And so let's close this thing out. I'll do some closing remarks on it. All right, so let's go and close this thing out, and I'll do some final remarks and maybe some pros and cons about it. Definitely the pros are these handles with these big thick rubber handles here. Those are really nice, easy to open. The thing is very well built. It's easy to put together, and the knobs are really nice. You know, easy to turn it on. So, you know, everything seems to be just fine. You know, you can't really ask for anything really much better than this. The fryer I haven't used yet, but it's, you know, pretty simple, easy to put together. And, you know, you're just gonna take that guy off here, and then you put your basket on, and you have a fryer. So pretty cool. One thing, I guess, for this exact model that's a con would be there's no legs. Didn't come with the legs, so you can easily get the table for, you know, whatever. It's going to cost a little bit extra. You can get it with the table. Like the guy over here has the one with the legs on it, if you can see it back there. So you know, I have to get that because this is just not going to work out. And the other thing is it didn't come with an adapter for a 1 pound bottle. So out in my apartment, you have to have the smaller bottles. You can't use a big propane, so you had to get the adapter. They should know that this is going to be a camp type thing, and people are going to bring this camping and tailgating. So Blackstone should just keep, you know, put an adapter hose in there for you. You know, you're paying that much money for it. You throw a $5 freaking adapter in there, you know. So I had to hunt one of those down so I could use these. You know, honestly, I don't recommend cooking on this thing. It just doesn't put out the gas. I mean, this thing's done already, so not great there. So you kind of stuck in there. Maybe I'll try to sneak a bigger bottle in here, get a 3 pound or something somewhere, try to figure that out. But you know, so that's pretty much it. Other than that, I don't really see any cons to it. It's, you know, it's all pretty much a really well built, well thought out griddle. And this is an investment. You're going to keep this thing forever. So it's, you know, as long as you maintain it properly, and should be good to go. It's just like anything else. If you maintain it properly, it's going to last forever. So, you know, oil up the griddle, season it. Look how nice that come out today. Nice and seasoned. It's good. So, just like anything else, maintenance it properly, take care of it, and you know, it'll last you a long time, and you'll get a lot of cooks out of it, a lot of summers, a lot of camping and adventure. So I like it. I'll give it definitely an A+. And so, yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. I'll leave links below for Patreon and subscribe and all that good stuff. Leave comments and maybe some grilling recommendations. That would be cool. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Peace.